Hey guys, got a special treat for you today. We're doing fried green BLTs. Let's get at it. Alright guys, what we got going for you today, something simple, one of our favorites, something we tried a few summers ago and absolutely loved it. It is a fried BLT by using green tomatoes. We picked these green tomatoes up at our local food line in the local section. So these are local, grown to South Carolina, which is going to make these amazing. We've already got our bacon frying, so you guys will have to stick around and watch the whole thing. I'm sure if you're watching the video, you know how to fry bacon. I'm going to give it a flip. And we're using our Blackstone bacon press as well. Help keep some of these slices extra straight for a nice sandwich. Now we're not using a traditional stove or I guess you'd say fire apparatus to cook our fried green tomatoes. We learned this from an actual one of our followers on Twitter, Scott Rodriguez, I believe his name is, and Scott is the absolute master when it comes to Blackstone, anything cast iron. So definitely, we're going to put his information up at the end of this video. Give that guy a follow. So we're going to go ahead and start taking some of our bacon off, and we're using a drying cookie rack or baker's rack. Let that grease cook down all the way and keep our bacon nice and crispy. So while this bacon here is going to get a little bit extra crispy, crispy bacon in my household is a must. We're going to go over and we're actually using some of our honey for the money barbecue rub in this little recipe. It goes with everything. So Genius here did not bring out a fork or anything to stir this up. We're just going to give it a quick shake and a stir. All of you who cook know that cooking is improvising anyway. We've all been in the kitchen and needed something and didn't have it. And apologize for my dogs barking in the background. They smell the bacon and they know what's up. So using our very, very sharp knife, which was a present from my brother-in-law. And we're just going to make some nice even slices. Don't want to go too thick. We want these to cook nice all the way through, make a nice sandwich. But I also don't want a thin piece of tomato. I love these. These are one of my favorite dishes to do. We're actually going to go glove up. So you don't have to glove. We're eating these, so we don't have to, but just to keep it clean, we're going to glove it up. And also, glad we found these. I think they're referred to as yellow jackets, but Coors Banquet beer, best out there. Awesome. So now what we're going to do, we're going to remove our lid. This lid is super hot. And we're going to do a little test here with our grease to see it's ready. And we are super, super, super close, if not there. Grease is hot. We're just using regular vegetable oil from our local Walmart. We're going to let these cook until they get nice. Alright, so now everything is finished up. We got our green tomatoes here, fresh fried. We've got our bacon. We've got our lettuce and our tomato. So now we're going to build this sandwich, and we're from the South, so just 2 thin white pieces of bread. I'm going to use a fork, the one thing we have available. And we're just going to spread a little mayo across it here. Next, we're going to go fried green tomato. Actually going to go 2 on this one. Well, big enough, we're just going to go 1. These are pretty big slices. Next, we're going to go, actually, you know what, we are. We're going to go 2 slices here. Why not? A little bacon. We're going to go with our, it may not be cheese, it may be cheese, individually wrapped single. Of course, a little lettuce. And there you have it. Fried green tomato BLT. Guys, thank you so much for following along. I know this cook was a little bit all over the place. We apologize for that. We're going to get these more dialed in and more fine-tuned going forward. We appreciate you following along. Go out and make this. Mention us, tag us, let us know, show us a picture. We want to see it. But I'm going to take this one inside now. Grab another cold Coors Banquet beer and enjoy it. You guys stay safe. Have a good summer. Keep cooking. Show us what you guys are doing. See you.